Hi first grade, how was everything? I hope everything is okay. In our today's lesson we're gonna talk about lesson 10.4, which is classify quadrilaterals. Classify quadrilaterals. And as you see, our essential question is, how can you sort and classify quadrilaterals? Let's unlock the problem. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. As you see in this shape, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Why? Because you will see here the first side, the second side, and the third side, the fourth side. So a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. There are 4 angles. The first angle is A, and the second angle is B, the third angle is C, and the fourth angle is D. Okay, and you can name a quadrilateral by the vertices of each angle. You can name it by the vertices of each angle. How can I name it, teacher? You should name it in a round way. Look, A, then B, after that C, finally D. A, B, C, D. Or D, C, B, A. You should to start from left to right or right to left, as you see. Now, quadrilateral ABCD is a possible name for the figure shown at the right. Quadrilateral ACBD, can I name it ACBD? Look at the figure, please. ACBD? Of course not. ACBD is not a possible name. Why? Since points A and C are not endpoints of the same size. Let's go to exercise 1. Name every quadrilateral of the following. In this exercise, you should to name every quadrilateral I'm gonna tell you. Here, EFGH or HGFE, as you see, FGHE. Here, APCD or DCBA, as you want, APCD. The third one, try to do it. Right, great. PSRQ or SRQP, as you like. Here, try to do it. Use a round way. JKLM or MLJK. I'm gonna use JKLM. JKLM. According to your alphabet letters. Here, TUVW. Exactly. Yes, here, QRNZ or ZNQR, as you want. Try. Exactly. QRNZ or ZNQR. Let's go. In this page, guys, you will identify common quadrilaterals. The first one is, do you know this shape? Do you know what's its name? It's a trapezoid. What are its conditions or properties? Please focus carefully here. It has only one condition. Here, guys, trapezoid has at least one pair of parallel sides. At least one pair of parallel sides. I didn't understand anything, teacher. I know. I'm gonna explain for you. Can you see this side? Can you see this side? Yes. And can you see this side? Are they parallel? Are they walking to the same side? Yes, they are parallel. So here in this shape, there is at least one pair of parallel sides. One pair. You know the meaning of pair? Yes, pair means two things together. They are parallel. Okay, and when you see this shape, you should to tell me the name of it. Trapezoid also. Here it's a trapezoid also. Here, trapezoid. Here it's a trapezoid. Yes. Now, what is this? Do you know this picture? Yes. Could you tell me which shape does it take? Yes, it's trapezoid pencil case. It's a trapezoid pencil case. Okay, let's go now to the second quadrilateral. Second quadrilateral is, do you know the name of this shape? Let me tell you. Parallelogram. Repeat after me. Parallelogram. 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 So what are its conditions or properties? It has two properties. The first one is two pairs of parallel sides. Two pairs of parallel sides. I didn't understand. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. The first pair of parallel sides, up and down. Can you see all of these sides? They are walking to the same side together. They are parallel. They are parallel. This is the first pair of parallel sides. The second pair, can you see this pair, this side? With this side? Yes, of course I can see them. They are parallel sides. This is the second pair. Oh, I understood now. There are two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, this is the first condition. The second condition is two pairs of sides of equal length. Two pairs of sides of equal length. Can you see this sign? And this sign? They are the same. They mean this side has the same length and this side has the same length. They have the same length. Okay, and can you see this sign and this sign? They mean the length of this side equals the length of this side. The length of the first side equals the length of the second side. Now I have two pairs of equal length. I have two pairs of sides of equal length. Yeah, I understood now. And when you see this picture or this picture or this shape or this shape, you should to tell me parallelogram. Yes, I can see the same side here and the same side, and here the same side. All of them has these side and these side. When you see that, you should tell me a parallelogram. Okay, do you know this picture? Can you do it with your color pencils? Exactly, you can. Try to do it, you will get a parallelogram. Okay, let's go to the third quadrilateral with us today. Now, what is its name? Do you know its name? I'm gonna tell you. It's a rhombus. Please repeat it after me. Rhombus, rhombus, rhombus. What are its conditions? It has, as you see, two conditions. The first one is two pairs of parallel sides. Yeah, I understood them. Here's the first pair, and the second pair is here, this one with this one. Yes. They are parallel sides, and here they are parallel sides. Now I have two pairs of parallel sides. Now, four sides of equal length. Four sides of equal length. Can you see the sign? There are four equal signs, as you see. They means this side has the same length of this one, and of this one. There are four equal sides of equal length. There are four sides of equal length. Okay, and when you see this shape, yeah, you will remember its name from all of these signs. All of these signs, you will name this shape from this sign. Yes, it's rhombus. It's what? Rhombus. Great job. When you see this shape, you will tell me rhombus because I saw all of the same signs. AP equal PC equal CD equal DA. Oh, do you know this picture? What does it represent? It represents a rhombus shape. It takes a rhombus shape. Yes. So the fourth quadrilateral. Let's go to the fourth quadrilateral. Do you know this shape? Yes, it's easy. It's a rectangle. You have an idea about it before. So what are its conditions? What are its properties? There are three properties for it. The first one, two pairs of parallel sides. Yeah, I can understand it. I could understand it. Here's the first pair of parallel sides, and here the second pair of parallel sides. Yes. The second condition is two pairs of sides of equal length. Two pairs of sides of equal length. Can you see this side and this side? What do they mean? They means there are two sides have the same length. Okay, this length of this side equal this length of this side. Great. And the third one is four right angles. The third condition is rectangle has four right angles. I can see here a square corner and square corner and square corner, square corner. So there are four right angles as you see in this rectangle. And when you see this shape, you should to tell me it's a rectangle. When you see this shape, you should to tell me it's a rectangle. When you see this shape, oh, what are these? They are flags. What do they take? They take a rectangle shape. Every one represents a rectangle shape. Okay, let's go to the fifth quadrilateral with us. The fifth quadrilateral with us is, do you know it? Yeah, I have an idea about it. It's a square. What are its conditions? There are three conditions for it. The first one is two pairs of parallel sides. Two pairs of parallel sides. As you see here, the first pair, as you see here, the second pair, the second pair. Okay. The second condition is four sides of equal length. Four sides of equal length. Four sides of equal length. Can you see this sign? Equals this sign, equals this sign, equals this sign. They mean there are four sides of equal length. And the third condition, which is right angles, four right angles. Can you see four right angles in this shape? Yes, I can. The first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. Four right angles. When you see the shape, you can see, of course, four right angles, four sides of equal length, and four parallel sides. Every two opposite sides are parallel. Yes. Oh, what is this picture? What does it represent? It represents a square. Exactly, it represents a square. Let's go to the next page. Here in this page you can see all of them together. I want all of you repeat after me. Trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square. And I want you to notice how many conditions are there for rhombus. Of course, it's one condition. How many conditions are there for parallelogram? 1, 2. There are two conditions. How many conditions for rhombus? Also two conditions. How many conditions for rectangle? 3 conditions. How many conditions for square? Also 3 conditions. Look at here. 1 condition, 2 conditions, 2 conditions, 3 conditions, 3 conditions. Please put it inside your mind. Now, we are gonna try this. Try this. Classify each figure as many ways as possible. Write quadrilateral, trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, or square. In the shape A, you should to tell me what does it mean. Firstly, all of them are quadrilateral. They has a common name. Firstly, they have a common name, which is quadrilateral. Every one you should name it a quadrilateral. Now, the first name for the figure A is quadrilateral. The second name is, parallelogram. Is there any third name? No. Let's go to the next one, quadrilateral. I said to you firstly, it's a quadrilateral. Then, trapezoid. Great job. Question C, quadrilateral and parallelogram and rhombus, rectangle, square. Why all of these answers? Quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and 4 angles. Parallelogram because every two opposite sides are parallel. And here there are two opposite sides are parallel. So I name it parallelogram. Rhombs. Why rhombus? Because there are four equal sides. As you see, four equal sides means four equal sides in length. There are four equal sides in length. Rectangle, because there are four right angles. Four right angles. And square, there are four right angles, two pairs of parallel sides, and two pairs of equal sides. Let's go to the next page. Now we are gonna start share and show questions. Question 1. Tell whether the quadrilateral is also a trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, or square. Here in this question you have this figure. You should to tell me quadrilateral ABCD is also what? Is also a trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, or square? Let's see. Before you answer, you should to think about how many pairs of parallel sides. How many pairs of parallel sides? This is the first pair, and here the second pair. Yes, I have two pairs of parallel sides. The next question you should to ask yourself, how many sides of equal length? How many sides of equal length? How many sides? Yes, 1, 2, 3 sides, or 4 sides of equal length. Of course, 4 sides. Yes. The last question you should to ask yourself before you answer, how many right angles? Can you see any right angles here? Of course not. 0 right angles. Now I can name this figure quadrilateral ABC is also a parallelogram, exactly, and rhombus. Great job! Great job, guys. Let's go to the next question in the same page, 569. Classify each figure as many ways as possible. Write quadrilateral, trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, or square. The first shape here, question number 2. Is it a trapezoid? Is it a parallelogram? Is it a rhombus? Is it a rectangle? Or is it a square? It's not trapezoid, it's not parallelogram, it's not rhombus, it's not rectangle, it's not square. So what should I write? So I'm gonna write quadrilateral. Okay, I understood now. Question number 3. Quadrilateral, of course, all of them are quadrilaterals. Then parallelogram, because every two opposite sides are parallel. There are two pairs of parallel sides. And rectangle, great job. Let's see question 4. When you see this sign, what should you tell me? Great, rhombus. But what should you write at first? Quadrilateral, then parallelogram, then rhombus. Great job. Let's go to the next question. On your own, classify each figure as many ways as possible. Write quadrilateral, trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangular, quiz. square. Question 5. Quadrilateral, of course. Parallelogram, of course. Is there any name for it? No. Let's go to the question 6. Quadrilateral and parallelogram and rectangle and rhombus. Exactly, rhombus and rectangle. And a square. Oh, where is square word? Wait, it will appear after that. Let's see question 7. Quadrilateral and can you see here only one pair of parallel sides? Yes. When you see that, what should you tell me? Exactly, great. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. It's wrong, this word. You should replace it with trapezoid. Take this trapezoid and put it down. Yes. I finished my lesson. I hope all of you understood the lesson. Then please try to do your homework on your Think Central. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.